In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Wallet on your Fitbit Versa 4. Alright, so first and foremost, we need to start with the setup on your smartphone. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the top left-hand side of the screen, which will usually have your profile icon. And what you want to do is click on Add Device, then choose your device, so Versa 4, and then make sure your Bluetooth is on and hit Start Setup. Then you need to scroll all the way down and click on I agree. And it says to make sure your Versa 4 is in charge and then hit continue. And that will connect your device. So now that your device is connected, if you're brought back to the home screen, just click on your profile icon again. And then you'll see your device and you want to click on it. And then you'll click on Wallet. And in here, you just want to hit continue. And it's going to ask you to set up a 4-digit PIN. And after you're done setting up your PIN, it'll ask you to add a payment method if you haven't already added one. And that's how you get it set up, guys. On the actual device, I don't have one here to show you, but you're just going to click on the side button and then search for Google Wallet. And every time you go in, you just need to enter your PIN code, and then you'll just need to hold your wrist up to a payment terminal until you feel a vibration. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.